How to lose 5 pounds in a week. Losing 5 pounds in a week can be a challenging but achievable goal. Shedding this amount of weight in a short period can have many benefits. It can boost your self-confidence, improve your overall health, and give you the motivation to continue working towards your weight loss goals. In this article, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to lose 5 pounds in a week safely and effectively. Step 1. Set realistic goals and create a plan. Before embarking on a weight loss journey, it is essential to set realistic goals and create a plan. Losing 5 pounds in a week may seem like a daunting task, but with a well-thought-out plan, it is achievable. Start by calculating your daily calorie intake and setting a realistic calorie deficit of around 500 to 1000 calories per day. Additionally, plan your meals and snacks in advance to ensure that you are eating a balanced diet with a focus on fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Step 2. Focus on balanced and low-calorie meals. Eating balanced and low-calorie meals is crucial for weight loss. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid high-calorie and high-fat foods, such as fried foods, sugary drinks, and processed snacks, as they can sabotage your weight loss efforts. How to lose 5 pounds in a week. Step 3. Increase your water consumption. Drinking enough water is essential for weight loss. Drinking water can help to reduce hunger and increase metabolism, leading to fewer calorie intake and weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated and aid weight loss. Step 4. Incorporate exercise into your routine. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can help you to lose weight faster. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, every day. Additionally, try to incorporate strength training exercises to build muscles, which can increase metabolism and aid weight loss. Step 5. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Sugar and processed foods are high in calories and can lead to weight gain. Cut back on sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts to reduce your calorie intake and aid weight loss. Instead, choose whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Step 6. Choose healthy snacks. Choosing healthy snacks is crucial for weight loss. Opt for snacks that are low in calories and high in protein and fiber, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Avoid high-calorie snacks, such as chips, cookies, and candy, as they can quickly add up in calories. Step 7. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Getting enough sleep and managing stress is essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep and stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and incorporate stress-reducing activities, such as meditation or yoga, into your daily routine. Step 8. Monitor your progress and make adjustments. Monitoring your progress is crucial for weight loss. Keep a food diary and track your weight loss progress to see what is working and what is not. Make adjustments to your diet and exercise plan, if necessary, to ensure that you are on track to lose 5 pounds in a week. Step 9. Consider a weight loss supplement or program. If you are struggling to lose weight, consider a weight loss supplement or program. However, before starting any supplement or program, it is essential to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that it is safe and effective.